You see a scripture in the book of Proverbs that says, train up a child the way he should go, and when he grow up, he will not depart. That is not a promise. It's an advice. It's a principle that works, but it's not a covenant statement from God. And I will explain further by another scripture. For example, in Luke, you find something like Luke 6:38. He said, give and it shall be given unto you. That is a promise. That is a covenant statement from God. That is, if you give, you will be given. But it's possible to train up a child, and when he grow up, he refuse to go the way he should go, because it's not a promise. It's not 100% guaranteed. But when it comes to a promise, he said, if you believe and confess, you shall be saved. That is a promise.